Today, I'm going to show you how to spatchcock your chicken for roasting and or for grilling. But it takes some work, so let's be prepared. First, you're going to want to flip it on the back or on its breast, and then you want to take out the backbone. This is what a good pair of kitchen shears is good for. And you may need to use two hands to get through the ribs. Then you have the backbone. You can save this for stock or discard it. Next we'll be looking to the ugly side of the chicken. And you'll see this is the keel bone here. This is the key to flattening the chicken for spatchcock. You'll find a bony metal piece up here, and then this is all cartilage down here. You'll start by splitting the bony piece. Then running your fingers on either side of the cartilage to separate it away from the rib meat. There we go. Then we'll just pop the keel bone, or it'll pop itself, I guess, and just peel it out. Without tearing the chicken. So that you end up with the bone and the cartilage. Then flip your chicken over, see it's nice and flat, and to ensure that your legs and thighs will cook approximately the same time as the breast meat, you want to find the joint and just give that a little slice. Cut through on the joint. You may have to pull it a little taut. It's right there, you can pretty much see it. And you're ready to go. Chicken for the grill or for roasting.